Lessons are there. If you want to cover that, lessons are there. Once again, I try to write the name of lesson which you study now inside that. Sir, is it a new? Those situations which you are face are there each and every day. You want to learn something extra. Every dish, every food stuff, every prepare material, every study material which are represent for per day, these are the differ from each other. That's why interest about teaching. Sir, when you start that lesson within a short duration, I want to over points, recap again. If it is worse are there, each and every student come inside my field, not my field, the science field. That's why it is necessary to once again renew in front of student as soon as teacher come. That's why I am not wasted too much time. Within 2 or 3 minutes, I easily cover those points which are already taught. Inside that term, when you study about that lessons are that first of all, we brightly, each and every words which are said, what they suggest, we are really observed. After one, we reaches to different types of asking method. Is it students are curiosity to learn that lesson? After one, from general example and from laboratory very chemicals, formulae, we says that atom is the fundamental, atom is the basic. If you want to make anyone, I made from cell, that wall in front, that bricks, every made from atoms, atom is the smallest. After one, we reaches to one scientific historical development where atom really open. This is my structure, this is my morphology, these are my intrinsic and extrinsic character which we study. That is the role of scientist. I say in short manner. First of all, we start from Rishikanan, Democritus, John Dalton, J.J. Thomson, and yesterday you can learn about Rutherford atomic model. But somewhat difficult at the time of making video. That's why somewhat points are new. Today we cover and reach just a new point. That's why those points which are remain on yesterday, I want to cover. It is Manal teaching point. Within a short duration, those I yesterday tell full about them. I want to once again renew. Sir, why Rutherford? In 1911, Ernest Rutherford doing one type of construction, building material, one type of statue, one type of criteria, one type of status. This is my philosophy. That's why which he prepared. Suppose that it can be selected one lead block. Lead material is selected. Within the lead material, one piece, drill, sachet, aperture, sand, one can be removed from each other, make a lead, PB. In front of this, it can be kept a 3-pole void experiment, which have radius 10 to -4 millimeter. That time in between 2 blocks where you some part drill out by using technological apparatus, you can replace radioactivity. Uranium, thorium, radium, polonium, certain types of highly penetrating invisible ray place. That time it already emitted its radioactivity rays. That's why you kept in one block. There is only one space in which they allow, others are restrict, not going here and there. That's why one space from that ray higher bombarded against the wall, nothing but gold foil experiment. If it is observed, that time we observe number of rays pass through that gold. Some are devoted, bended to some end, and out of this somewhat bounce back. Up to them we come. Let's just student observe here. While doing Rutherford that experiment, 3 construction they can be carried. First of all is that out of 100% that radioactivity rays which are emitted from radioactivity substance, they are passing straight line. That's why there is no certain types of obstruction, no certain types of obstacles. Everyone reaches to another perforation directly, non-stoppable. It can move in another direction. First conclusion. Second, he says that 20 are remaining. Out of 20, 15 is bent through some angle. If it is bent through some angle, that time there is a hard material. There is also an abstraction which does not enter all ray of light. And last of all, somewhat reaches to its original place where it has come from that point of view. Well, Rutherford showed 5 different conclusions. Observe here, first of all, but which they say. Rutherford, my point of angle, very excellent. That are Rutherford. He is not follow rules and regulations given from before scientists. You are saying atom, Parmanu, that are Gundiladu, not for positive here and resistance, not doing. I do scientific nature. In modern physics, I come in that room. Those I want, I came, I follow new discussion, and lastly we are reached to that conclusion. Which are them? One by one I say in front of you. First of all, pause, listen carefully. 5 different conclusions drawn from that Rutherford scattering alpha particles. Positively charged particle can be present at the center of nucleus. Why? That are the year of 1911. That are the scattering of particles. That are Ernest. He says that those overall body, J.J. Thomson or Dalton says that each and every body of atom is covered by all positively charged particles. Not that here. Why? Number of ray passes to straight line. If it is percolation in continuous way, that time I observe inside atom one certain mass drilling hole, one type of circular orbit in which all positive charge can be kept. Instead of that scattered and spread at every region of atom, it can be placed at only location. Which position they can be under? It can be only placed nucleus covered by positively charged particle. Post discussion can be given from Rutherford. Change theory, theoretical view which can be carried up to now, where spreading of material everywhere are there. Instead of this, it can be present, it can be concentrated at one point. That's why nucleus covered by positively charged. Location changes about